How to change your display name in Outlook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Outlook on your device. Then, click on File at the top left corner of your screen. In here, click on Account Settings. Then click on Account Settings again. In Account Settings, click on your email and then press on Change at the top. After you press on Change, here you'll find your name. Simply type in the name you want to add and then press on Next at the bottom. Press on Done and your name will be updated. This is how to change your display name in Outlook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.